There comes a moment in life when the noise fades, the calls stop, the messages disappear, the people you thought were yours slowly become strangers. You look around and suddenly realize no one is really there for you. Not friends, not relatives, not even the people who once promised they'd never leave. And that's the moment most people break. But this is also the moment some people are born again. A boy once believed in everyone. He trusted his friends. He depended on his circle. He thought loyalty was real. But life had other plans. When he needed support, no one showed up. When he struggled, no one noticed. When he fell, no one picked him up. Even the people closest to him. And that day, something inside him shifted. He stopped expecting. He stopped explaining. He stopped waiting. Because he finally understood a harsh truth. No one is coming. Art fears eating up. Loneliness feels heavy. Silence feels loud. And the absence of people you trusted feels like betrayal. But this lonely, that pain turned into power. He realized something most people never do. Expectations are the real reason people suffer. The more you expect, the more you break. So he made a decision. No expectations, no dependency, no emotional attachment to people who aren't consistent. Just focus, just growth, just himself. He started building alone, walking up early alone, working late, alone, failing, learning, improving. Alone, no applause, no support, no shortcuts, just discipline. And yes, he had only two people truly standing behind him. He spied